The world of electric vehicles is in the midst of a unique and dramatic shift, and BMW, the iconic German automaker renowned for its ultimate driving machines, is making a bold statement with the unveiling of its groundbreaking all-electric flagship sedan, the i7. This sleek, futuristic machine seamlessly blends blistering performance, unparalleled luxury, and cutting-edge sustainability, promising to redefine the very essence of driving. But can this single model truly propel BMW to the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution? With legacy automakers racing to catch up to the likes of Tesla, the stakes have never been higher. You might be wondering what groundbreaking features and cutting-edge innovations make the BMW i7 a true game-changer in the electric vehicle market. Likewise, if this single model caters to the diverse needs and desires of luxury car buyers, performance enthusiasts, and eco-conscious consumers alike, I wouldn't say your thoughts are bad, but indeed the big question is, will BMW's ambitious gamble on the i7 pay off, cementing its position as a leader in the rapidly evolving electric vehicle landscape? What surprises and innovations lie in store, setting the i7 apart from its rivals and redefining the very concept of luxury electric mobility? As we delve into the details of this technological marvel, brace yourselves for answers to these burning questions, not leaving behind the answers to your thought. Imagine gliding silently through city streets, cocooned in the lap of luxury, yet powered by the cutting edge of electric vehicle technology. This is the allure of the all-new BMW i7, a masterpiece of engineering and design that promises to redefine the boundaries of what an electric luxury sedan can be. At the heart of this technological tour de force lies a state-of-the-art dual-motor electric powertrain that delivers an exhilarating 536 horsepower and a 735 foot-pound of torque. With an EPA-estimated range of up to 305 miles on a single charge, courtesy of its advanced 101.7 kilowatt lithium-ion battery pack, the i7 shatters the notion that electric vehicles are mere city runabouts. This incredible range is further enhanced by the vehicle's cutting-edge regenerative braking system, which captures energy that would otherwise be lost during deceleration and feeds it back into the battery, maximizing efficiency and extending the vehicle's range even further. But this sedan isn't just about raw power. It's a celebration of luxury and innovation on an unprecedented scale. Step inside the meticulously crafted cabin and you'll be greeted by an oasis of tranquility and opulence. The interior boasts a vast panoramic glass roof that floods the space with natural light, creating a sense of openness and serenity that belies the i7's impressive dimensions. The cabin is a masterclass in premium materials, with every surface adorned in the finest merino leather, alcantara, and real wood accents, creating an atmosphere of understated elegance that is quintessentially BMW. Prepare to be transported to a world of auditory bliss, courtesy of the vehicle's cutting-edge Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system. With 35 strategically placed speakers, including 4 diamond dome tweeters and a powerful 1455-watt amplifier, this audio system delivers a rich, immersive soundscape that will leave you spellbound. Whether you're enjoying your favorite music or indulging in the crisp, clear sound of a movie, the i7's audio system promises an unparalleled sensory experience. The seats, crafted from the finest merino leather and alcantara, offer unparalleled comfort and support, ensuring that even the longest journeys are a pleasure. But these aren't just ordinary seats. They're intelligent, with built-in massage functions, multi-zone climate control, and even a specialized shoulder and neck heating system, ensuring that you and your passengers remain refreshed and relaxed throughout your adventures. Step outside and you'll be greeted by a striking exterior that turns heads wherever it goes. The sleek aerodynamic lines are actuated by a bold, redesigned kidney grille that seamlessly integrates the vehicle's advanced sensor suite, enabling cutting-edge driver assistance features and semi-autonomous capabilities. The i7's low, wide stance and muscular haunches exude a sense of power and agility, while the graceful curves and elegant proportions pay homage to BMW's rich heritage of timeless design. The i7's 21-inch alloy wheels adorned with high-performance tires not only complement the vehicle's aggressive stance, but also contribute to its remarkable handling and road-hugging capabilities. And for those seeking an even more dynamic driving experience, the optional M Sport package adds an array of performance-enhancing features, including adaptive air suspension, an advanced traction control system, and a sport-tuned electric powertrain that delivers even more thrilling acceleration and responsive handling. But the i7 isn't just about aesthetics and performance. It's a testament to BMW's commitment to sustainability. Every aspect of the vehicle, from the materials used in its construction to the manufacturing processes employed, has been meticulously designed to minimize its environmental impact. The i7's battery pack, for instance, is composed of sustainable sourced materials and can be recycled at the end of its life cycle, further reducing the vehicle's carbon footprint. Pricing for this marvel of engineering starts at $92,295 for the base i7 xDrive 60 model, with higher-end trims and optional packages pushing the price tag well into the six-figure range. The top-of-the-line M Sport variant, priced at $108,695, promises an electrifying driving experience that will leave even the most discerning enthusiasts in awe. But what truly sets the i7 apart from its rivals is its suite of cutting-edge technologies and innovative features. The vehicle's advanced driver assistance systems, powered by a suite of cameras, radar, and LiDAR sensors, offer a level of semi-autonomous capability that borders on the miraculous. With features like hands-free driving on approved highways, automatic lane changes, and advanced collision avoidance systems, the i7 promises to redefine the very concept of automotive safety and convenience. At the heart of this technology prowess is BMW's latest iDrive 8 infotainment system, which seamlessly integrates with the vehicle's various systems and features. The i7's massive curved display, spanning nearly the entire width of the dashboard, serves as the command center for this cutting-edge system, providing intuitive access to a wealth of information and controls. From adjusting the climate and audio settings to monitoring the vehicle's performance and range, the iDrive 8 system puts a world of functionality at your fingertips. And for those seeking the ultimate in luxury and exclusivity, BMW has created a limited edition masterpiece trim level that takes opulence to new heights. Priced at a staggering $147,500, this ultra-premium variant boasts a host of bespoke features and materials, including a handcrafted interior adorned with premium wood and leather accents, as well as a one-of-a-kind exterior paint finish that shimmers and shines like a true work of art. Each Masterpiece i7 is a true automotive masterpiece, a rolling showcase of BMW's uncompromising commitment to craftsmanship and attention to detail. But the i7's technological prowess extends far beyond its infotainment and driver assistance systems. The vehicle's advanced thermal management system, for instance, ensures optimal performance and efficiency in a wide range of driving conditions. By intelligently regulating the temperature of the battery pack, motors, and other critical components, the i7 can maintain peak performance even in extreme heat or cold, ensuring that you never have to compromise on power or range. And for those who demand the ultimate in performance, BMW has developed a cutting-edge electric all-wheel drive system that not only enhances traction and stability, but also optimizes power delivery to each wheel. By continuously monitoring grip levels and adjusting torque distribution in real time, the i7's electric all-wheel drive system ensures that every ounce of power is put to the road, delivering blistering acceleration and unparalleled handling dynamics. With its bold design, cutting-edge technology, and unwavering commitment to sustainability, the BMW i7 promises to redefine the automotive landscape. It's a statement of intent, a declaration that the future of driving is electric, and BMW is leading the charge. This groundbreaking electric luxury sedan is poised to cement BMW's position at the forefront of the EV revolution, blending blistering performance, unparalleled luxury, and eco-friendly sensibilities into a seamless, awe-inspiring package that will leave even the most discerning automotive enthusiasts breathless. So do you believe the i7 has what it takes to cement BMW's place as a leader in the electric vehicle space? Or do you think the competition from Tesla and other EV makers will prove too tough? Share your predictions and opinions on how this electric flagship will fare. And if you're as excited about the BMW i7 as we are, be sure to let us know what other aspects of this groundbreaking sedan you'd like us to cover. We'll be bringing you exclusive in-depth looks, detailed reviews, and the latest updates on this game-changing electric vehicle. So drop your requests in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. The electric vehicle revolution is heating up, and we'll be your guide through all the latest innovations and developments in the world of EVs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.